So yeah, I was just kind of saying, make sure that whatever you're choosing to do, that you're making sure you do what's best for you. It's good to like look at what others do and like get inspiration or see what works for you, but you definitely don't want to, do things that on line with yourself. So that's why I always just say, if you see something and you want to try it out, try it out. If it works, great. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Everybody have their own ways of being, whether they deal with like mind, body, spirit, dealing with like personal, professional life or whatnot. Um, a lot of things, information out there. I'm noticing a lot of people um, are putting out like good information, the right information now, and on a lot of different platforms. A lot of people are being inspired. A lot is happening. People are dying, not even just because of epidemic, but because of like life issues, life problems and stuff. But I'm noticing a lot of people are like being positive and focusing on the good because you're only gonna have this life for a temporary time. We're not going to be here forever. So it's important to realize, like, for why you're here, do whatever it is that you're meant to do, whatever your mission is, whatever it is you need to work on in life, try to improve it, try not to be affected by, like, things that are going on that are out of your control, the not good things. And a lot of things I'm noticing, people, like, feel like it's such a big deal, like, a lot of times. And not to say certain things can't be at certain times, but like a lot of things a lot of people go through. You know what I'm saying? Like you may look at something and you might feel like, I'm the only one experiencing this, and then you realize no, that's actually normal. And then things that may not be as, normal or whatnot, you trying to change, or you try to, see what it is it does to make you happy. Because that's really the main thing, is do the things that make you happy, do the things that make you feel good, productive, positive, whatever in your life, in all areas of your life. And you're here to heal yourself and make sure that you're good. And then as you're good, maybe you can help others. Maybe others can see you and be inspired by them. And if not, then fine. It's still good because you did what you need to do for you. So that's super, super important. I just wanted to kind of give y'all a little message on there with my little cooking video I did for the morning or whatnot. But yeah, hope this inspired you or whatnot, and like I said, hope you motivated to make sure you do whatever is best for you, whatever that is, anything in life. Make sure you test things out because everybody's different strokes for different folks, or whatever. With anything, with your health, with your mental, emotional, spiritual, love, business, work, whatever you're doing, and whatever's important to you or whatever. So make sure that you're getting the right research, doing your own research, because that's super important. People can give you information that may or may not be true. Things may or may not be real. You know what I'm saying? I like the things, part about social media that can show positivity, but when people show like real stuff, it kind of shows you a balance. Like, okay, this is real life, but it's also good, and positive, and everything's not going to be all good and perfect. You're going to have challenges. So it's like you're going to learn, oh, okay, well, this is the challenge, but guess what? You overcome, and then you have better, even people who, you may think about things in your past, things that may be, may have been better, or you may have loved or liked. But you also see how, hey, those things I can use as motivation, or I can see how the things I'm experiencing in life now, the things I've learned, things are better, especially when you merge the two together. You don't have to focus on the past and think like, oh man, I wish this or wish that, or I wish I could have changed this, or regret, or I wish I was here, da da da. Or you don't think of the future, like I want this, I want that. Like, look at things as motivation. Look at them, but like just motivation wise. And present moment is like key because that's where you're at. You don't know you can't change the past. All you can do is learn from them, and then you don't know what's gonna happen in the future. So that's why I say present moment is what's key, what's super important. So like I said, take what applies, leave out what doesn't or what not. And like I said, you make sure you always test out things. Make sure you do what's best for you. I keep saying that, but I want to reiterate that. I always want to make sure people know, like, whatever you see from anybody, like, always do what's best for you, what you need, because we have to respect each other. Life is about knowing that everybody have their own different paths. Everybody have their own things going on, And so it's important for you to like focus on what you need, but also consider other people. Like, hey, they have their own things. I don't know what's meant for them or what's for them. Like, you could share something, but respect everybody. You know what I'm saying? Think about others as well, not just yourself, because you're not the only one in the world or whatever. You know, you never know. You never know what could happen. You know, life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. Okay. All right. Just kind of my message or whatnot. I'm gonna close out. So, peace and love to you all. Just focus on positivity. You know, and make sure you do what's right. Alrighty, thank you guys for watching. If you want to subscribe, definitely subscribe. If you want to like and share this video, that'd be great. If you want to purchase my book, The Empowerment of Self-Inspiring to Hidden Knowledge, or you want to book a consultation or get a report, I'll put that information below. If you want any all-natural products for your hair, body, and skin, for women, men, and children, that helps you or whatnot as far as your body, just like how you mind, body, spirit. You need your body, whether you want your teeth whitened or you want to heal like cavities or clear out your skin, like you have damaged skin or whatever, or dark marks on your skin, or your hair is breaking and you want to regrow, anything like that. It's good for all men, women, and children or whatnot. Even men with the shaving cream. Even women love body scrubs. I know women love spas and stuff like that. So if you want like some natural products that are really, really good and they work, I would definitely recommend. Okay. Alrighty. So I'll put all the information below. And until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.